Oh my God!
These guys are fresh. These guys are fresh. These guys are fresh. Fresh. Come on. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. Driving their Venza. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. Come on. When you see them pass, not envy.
You know I hate reading. How am I supposed to read all this with tiny writing? Oh my God.
Oh my God. You know Miss Pamela, right? And you know she is very strict. Of course, she will bring this out in the exam, so you have to read, baby girl.
Of course I trust that witch.
Oh my, hey, to this side, excuse me. Hey, to this side. Don't touch me, excuse you. Hey, there, feed yourself there. Good, yeah.
Hi. Hi.
Ew.
Hi.
You smell, baby girl.
I'm not here for you now.
Ow.
Hi. Hi. Good morning. Hey, can I ask you for a favor?
What favor?
I was thinking if you can just borrow me your novel. In 4 days' time, I'll be done and I'll give it back to you.
Oh my God.
Let her speak.
Ew.
Please. I'm sorry. I just got this. I need to read it. Is it not better for you to just get yours than begging for it? Alright.
Hey, excuse you. Wait there, you baby girl. Why do you love begging? I mean, you beg for literally everything. Does begging run in your vein? Is that the blood you have in your body?
Fortune.
I'm just stating the fact.
I did not come here to talk to you.
I was just stating the fact.
Don't be short me.
Oh, sorry.
I understand. Thank you.
I mean, it better zip that. Stop sharing things on the ground. You can infect the floor. Ew, oh my God.
Fortune.
Yes, baby.
Why are you being so harsh on her?
Ew. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God.
Good morning, class. So, I gave you all the grades of last week. If you know you haven't purchased the closed book, I mean the novel recommended for this class, get out. I repeat, if you don't have the novel recommended for this class, get out of my class. If I catch you sharing with anyone, I will deal with you. You will know why they call me Miss Pamela. Out. Better. Who else is leaving? Don't let me catch you sharing with anyone. Who else? Better. Be fast, leave my class. So, are they the only disobedient student I have in this class? Who else? The novel is not even expensive, it's just 1,000 naira, something you can get easily. What is stopping you guys from purchasing this novel? You need it as an individual to enable you read at home. You don't need to share with friends, not everything you share. Let me tell you a little story of mine. When I was in school, I invested in books. My friends were mocking me, but I was not ashamed. Today I'm reaping it. Because if I don't have anything upstairs, I will have nothing to teach you. You see the reason you need to invest? Invest in books, not in makeup, not in other irrelevant things. Don't think I hate you, don't think I'm wicked, I'm not. I'm only teaching you the right thing. I need to teach you the right thing to do. Okay, we're starting from chapter 1. Who is reading for us? Starting from chapter 1. And make sure you're fluent. Read like a student. Okay, ma'am. Starting from chapter 1. Angela was very pretty, looked calm and peaceful, so innocent and harmless that Sandra and Lizzie.
What are you doing here? You and I know you have the novel. Why are you not in the class?
See, you're my friend. There is nothing Miss Pamela is going to do apart from reading the book. It will be very shameful seeing you walking out. That's why I followed you.
But it's not the right thing to do. You should have stayed back in class and learned.
Look, I know things are hard, but you're on scholarship. Why not try to save up at least to get some few things in the class? You borrow almost everything, textbooks and the rest.
It's not my fault. It's not. My mother doesn't have enough money. And everyone knows I'm in school today because of the scholarship. If not, where will I get the money to afford this kind of school?
I would have given you mine, but I have to read too. Okay, what will happen is this. I will give you mine when I'm done, okay?
You don't need to stress yourself. I made Mildred to borrow me a novel because I know she doesn't like to read. I thought she would assist me with it. Instead, her friends embarrassed me.
You shouldn't have gone to them. Okay, see what will happen. Miss Bella has just 30 minutes. What will happen is this, when she leaves, we'll go back to the class and read mine.
Thank you.
Stop crying.
Thank you so much.
Stop crying, okay?
Ibuka. Thank you so much for coming to our rescue. God bless you.
You are welcome, Abigail. You know, why I actually came is because of the way you ran to my house crying. And I can't really see you cry, you understand? But all the same, your mother's sickness is getting worse. Honestly speaking, it's getting worse. And before it becomes a prayer point, if it were to be my father, he will not agree to come because of the outstanding bills you people are owing us. Now listen, how do you expect us to get more herbs? You see, we really need these bees so that at least we can get more herbs to treat her. And with the way things are going, if things continue like this, I'm sorry, I don't think I can continue.
Ibuka, it does not continue to this now. Relax, I'll pay your bills.
Yeah. Hi sis. What's up?
You know what? Don't worry. Later I'll talk about our outstanding payments.
You better be fast. You just better be fast. You people should make sure you pay us. Else, you know what will happen.
Thank you.
Now, shape the floor. Dance it booty. Yeah. Wind it now like this. Oh, come on, share. Yeah, what's up, sis? What's wrong? Why are you looking like this? Abigail. Yeah. Like I said, clap the hand. Abigail. Okay. My baby, my Valentine.
Yes, now. This is all you know how to do in this house. Singing rubbish songs. Tell me, do you know what has been happening in this house? Do you know Mama has been in pain since morning? Do you know?
But I met her sleeping.
You met her sleeping? That's because Emeka came here and treated her.
Listen, there was a problem. And you found a solution to it. So why are you bugging me? Why are you disturbing? Can't you see what I was doing?
I'm bugging you. Brother, why? Why? What kind of an elder brother are you? Why have you chosen to be useless to yourself? Huh? Your mate are in the city, doing well for themselves, investing in properties. You're here singing rubbish.
Stop! Stop! Just stop! You better watch your tongue before I cut it for you. Yes. Listen, this is my life. How I live my life is none of your business. Just get that into your score. This is me. You better get used to it. Yes, get used to it. Listen, just allow me to live my life the way I want it. Stop already! Stop! Nonsense. Ah!
God, why me? I'm tired. I'm tired. This load is too heavy on me. It's heavy. I'm tired of this life. I'm tired. I'm tired.
Abigail, why are you not out for break?
Well, people go out for break to eat or buy snacks. Since I don't have anything, I would just prefer I stay in class to read.
That is pathetic. Anyways, this is the book you asked for yesterday. I couldn't read it, so I thought of bringing it to you so you will read.
Thank you so much. I promise I will return this as soon as possible.
No, you can have it. I'll get another one for myself.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Alright, take care.
Please.
That's so kind of her. She's from a rich home. What do you expect?
Her boyfriend do come to school with cow.
Wow. Her father was once a chief judge, and I learnt they are both family friends, and that's how the relationship started.
Hey, some people are lucky. Very, very lucky. They don't have to stress themselves like us.
Don't worry, my dear friend. Soon, everything is going to be fine.
Ew! Oh my god! You dirty thing! Ew! Bestie! Scratch card promo girl. Scratch it more, baby.
It's okay, let's go.
Alright, bestie. Church rat, excuse me. Okay, yeah. Wait. Stupid. Of course I know you cannot afford it.
This girl, I hate this girl. She has pride.
Don't mind her. She's one of those I want to be girls. See, forget all this buropos she's doing in this school. Her mother says something inside that market. What are they calling it? So forget all these things she's forming. They don't have anything.
Wait, all these things where this girl they do now from, she no get shishi.
Shishi, they don't get.
And now they check for inside market.
Let me tell you, go and ask.
So all this way she get na boropo, she no get anything.
This girl no get anything.
Why she dey follow me talking now? All this why?
She's from a poor family. Forget the fact that she's following me dress all about.
Me and her, we did the same stage.
You feel better pass herself.
Hey!
These boys are fresh. These boys are fresh. These boys are fresh. These boys are fresh. Driving a Benz. Driving a Benz. These guys are fresh. These guys are fresh. These guys are fresh. These guys are fresh. Fresh. Come on. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. Driving their Benz. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. Come on. When you see them pass, not envy. When you see their cars, not envy. Everybody wanna be like them, but they can't. They can't. Oh. Coming to school, shutting down the streets. I got my mind on money, on my Ferrari. We got a gang, we have our clique. If you don't have money, save a poor job. These boys are fresh. These boys are fresh. These boys are fresh. These boys are fresh. Driving a Benz. Driving a Benz. These guys are fresh. These guys are fresh. These guys are fresh. These guys are fresh. Come on. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. Driving their Benz. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. Come on.
It's revving.
What's wrong with you, Abigail?
Good morning, ma.
What's your greetings? What is wrong with you, Abigail?
How?
So you mean a senior student like you cannot wash and iron your clothes? So if you're this dirty unkept, how do you expect your junior student? How do you control your junior student?
No, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. It's not how you.
Sorry for yourself. Abigail, you're a very intelligent student. But in terms of hygiene, you score total 0.
I'm sorry, ma.
Nonsense. Look at the way you are. Very dirty and unkept. Just look at the way you are.
It's not my fault now. We don't need to have light at home. I didn't have time for myself. Don't come off. I need my uniform. Hey, This one your face is like this. What's wrong with you?
It's nothing.
You're fine, you open it.
What is it? You sent for me.
Yes, I did. Look, I do not understand the current topic we are treating on Mars. So I want you to do my assignment.
Why? Probably let do assignment for you. No! Me, I don't have chance. So. See, every student are meant to do the assignment by themselves. I will tell me to do your assignments for you. If I reach home now, I'll take care of my sick mother, I'll fetch water. Even to wash my clothes, I don't have time. I tell him to do your assignment. Eh? Me, I've never take care of myself finish. I tell him to do your assignment for you. I cannot do your assignment for you.
Eh? This is the sum of 5,000 naira. I want you to do my assignment and that of my friend.
I will do it. 5,000 naira? Just for assignments? Why will you not do the assignments now? I will do the assignment. Hey, do you know, in my life, it's been long I saw 5,000 naira. And this one is new money. Oh. I have enough time. I have time. I will do the assignment very, very well. Don't mention. I will do it. Thank you so much. You got sense. God bless you. Thank you.
Mama, my daughter, I've been wondering, where did you get money to prepare this good meal for us?
Mama, you see this God? This God is wonderful. He's one of my rich friends at school. They told me to assist them with transport, they don't understand. And because of their rich, they decided to pay me.
You mean they are giving you money to help them do some this thing or this?
For me to teach them the topic.
Mama, can you imagine?
What is it?
Mama, can you imagine? How can she just give me 1 meat? 1 meat. Mama, I'm the head of this house and I should not eat with just 1 meat.
And so, is that your parents put in our food? You're still 1 meat. What did you contribute to this family? Tell me!
My daughter.
What did you contribute in this family?
My daughter, wait. Come on. Are you not ashamed of yourself? So, you are not even happy that you see food to eat. Have you even cared to ask her where did she get money to prepare this wonderful meal for us? What you are busy asking is you are complaining of 1 meat. You are not supposed to eat with 1 meat.
Mama, stop now. Mama, all these things you're saying is none of my business. My business is that as the man of this house, I should not eat with 1 meat.
Which house you are doing?
Mama! Mama! Did you just see what this useless one just did?
Please, my daughter, just don't mind him. Let him go with his trouble. I'm ashamed of you. In fact, you are a disgrace. Hey? What kind of nonsense is this? You are the man of this house. Which house? A house that you cannot even provide. Come on again. Eh?
Welcome back from your short leave, sir.
Thank you, Miss Pamela. My health was failing me. But thank God, I'm okay today.
Wow, that's good and relieving to hear, sir.
I heard that there are some students constituting nuisance in the school by driving in their personal car into the premises and playing loud music. Is it true?
I'm aware that there's a particular student, sir, that brings his car to school among the senior students. But, sir, sincerely, I've never seen any traces of these allegations.
You know it is not allowed for students to drive in their car into the school. This is not a high institution. Parents are not even allowed to drive in, not to talk about students.
I know, sir. I know. I'm very sorry, sir. I promise to get to the root of this. Trust me on this, sir.
You better do. You better do.
I will, sir.
You cannot go.
Thank you, sir.
Why is there no water in this house? I'm talking to you. Abigail! Why is there no water in this house?
Oh, about that, I forgot. But once I'm done with my assignments, I'll fetch the water.
Listen, I need to take my bath. And there's no water, I need water. So leave whatever thing you're doing, go and fetch me water.
Did you put jazz in your mouth? Like, did you put anything in your mouth? Because it's not working on me at all. It's not. I hope you heard me when I said I'm working on my assignment. When I'm done, I will fetch the water. But since you're trying to behave like the man in the house, then go and do what men do. Go inside the house, fill all the gallons with water. That is if you really, really want to bath.
I can see something is really climbing through your head. I can see something is wrong with you. What is giving you this mind to talk to me? Your elder brother, the man of this house. Listen, if you know what is good for you, now, just leave whatever thing you're doing, stand up and fetch me water. Else, you will not like me.
What will you do? Listen, you see this assignment here? This is where I get food to feed you in this house. This is where I get food to feed us in this house. So I will not get up. We don't get food from the farm anymore. It's from this assignment. So start getting used to it. Nonsense.
Listen, Abigail. I don't have your time. You can rant the way you want. I want to go inside, sleep a little. By the time I wake up and I don't see water in this place, you see this bucket, I'm leaving it here. Then you will know who's the man in this house.
Don't blame man. Now boy. You are a boy or they are not. You're not a man, no. You're not a man. You're deceiving yourself. You're a boy. Nonsense. Ranting up and down.
Look, it seems the money I'm giving you for the assignments is not enough.
Who said it's not enough? Ha! It's very much enough for. It's enough for me. I'm not complaining now.
At least, I expected you to look different. Wash and iron your uniform.
It's not like I don't like to wash or iron my uniform. But you know, I have a lot of things I'm doing at home. I cannot use the money just to wash or iron my uniform or to make my hair look good. But see, I have things to do at home. I have responsibilities. But don't worry, I'll try my best. I'll try to get small money at least with making my hair and be looking good like you.
You know what? Meet me after school. I'll give you some money to get all that done. I need you to look neat.
Hey, thank you. God bless you. Thank you. I'll start looking neat from now. I'll start looking neat.
No problem. I'll see you later.
Hey. This girl a better person now. Hey. Hey.
Mildred? I don't understand your sudden closeness with that dirty church rat. Ever since she came to ask you to borrow her book.
What is your problem?
Ew.
Have you forgotten that this same person is the one doing our assignment?
Oh my God. But from what I gathered, you're giving her some cash?
Fortune, you know,
Yes,
I can be
baby.
very harsh than you. But you see this particular girl, we need to show her love. Show her love, Fortune. Show her love for God's sake.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Me? Fortune? I can never belittle myself. I mean, bring on myself to be friends with that church rat. Never. I cannot do that. She's not in my social class. Not even up to my status, baby. No. Fortune can never be caught in such acts. Never. Ew. Oh my God.
See who is talking about social class. Are you in my social class?
Ew.
Oh, here I am tolerating all your nonsense.
Are you insulting me? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
I'm not insulting you. I'm just stating the obvious. You need to control yourself. What is wrong with you?
I don't blame you, baby girl. Oh my God. Ew. You know what? You just got my temple high. Excuse me. Oh my God. She said I'm not a Oh my God.
Mama. Mama, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. What kept you so long?
I was doing some work in the farm.
Where is the vegetable that you went to harvest? Have you sold them?
Sold what? Mama, I didn't sell anything. I went to the farm. I didn't see enough vegetables apart from this.
What do you mean there's no vegetable in the
What
farm?
I mean is that your son harvested all the vegetables and he sold them.
Huh?
Yes.
Oh my God. What have I done to deserve this punishment? Where is he now?
Do I know? Mama, is that what you say? Where is he? Mama, send me to go and cover store so that you warn him. Warn him!
What do you want me to say? What do you want me to say? It's not my fault that God decided to punish me with such a son. A son who knows nothing rather than singing songs all over the place where his head set. Eh? What do you want me to do? Singing songs that are not even good to the ears. What do you want? What will I do? What will I do? What do you have me do to him? Eh? I am tired of him. I am tired of everything. I am just praying to God to get healed. Huh?
No, it's okay. Let me get water.
I've been in pain since you left. Ah, my God, Chidi. Chidi, you will not kill me. Chidi, you will not... Chidi, man, instead of you to kill me, I will be the one to kill you. Chidebere, where is my money?
Mama.
Where is my money? Give me my money.
Mama, but I did not steal your money. I needed some money. I went to the farm to harvest some vegetables. And I sold them.
Chidebere, what do you need money for? That you went to the farm and harvest the vegetable? Have you ever gone to the farm to work? Have you?
Mama, listen. As you can see, I've been singing and trying to make out something right. Mama, I need to release my song.
Can you hear the rubbish that's coming out from this your son's mouth?
Also,
Mama, this boy has refused to be useful to himself.
Are you?
Will you shut up? Come and sit down.
Why is she talking to me?
No, Mama, leave him. Touch me. No, do your worst. Hit me.
Chidebere.
Haven't let yourself sing. You sound so horrible. Do your worst. Well, let him touch me.
Chidebere, if you touch my daughter, you will have me to contend with.
Nonsense.
Look at you. You are not ashamed of yourself, Chidebere. What have I done to you? You cannot work to help the family. But the little one we have, you will take it away from us. Are you not ashamed of yourself, Chidebere? Are you not? A full-grown man like you, you don't want to be useful to yourself.
Mama. Mama, you're not seeing what I'm saying.
I am not seeing anything. All I'm seeing is useless son.
Mama, when you see my future, Mama, in no distant time, I will be a superstar. You and my sister here, this one that is ranting her mouth like a rat, you people will enjoy. Mama, I'm gonna watch again.
Enjoy what?
I will spoil you. No, I'm not talking about you. Mama will spoil you with money. Mama will give you money. Mama, I'm a star in making. Oh, you're not seeing it. Oh, Mama, you're not seeing my chain.
Brother, you look like a bulldog with that chain on your neck. You don't know. Bulldog, that's what you are. Be deceiving yourself, oh. Be deceiving yourself. Nonsense.
Are my eyes deceiving me? Guy, is that not Abigail? The only dirty girl we have in the class. Oh my goodness.
I'm surprised myself.
Well, that is my handwork. I advised her to use the money we'll give her for assignment to take care of herself. And now she's looking all good.
Oh my God! Ew!
Damn.
I knew it! I knew this partridge rat wouldn't have come up with this on her own. Oh, you're the person tutoring her? So you're giving her a huge amount of money for ordinary assignments?
Ordinary assignments that you cannot do.
It's okay, guys. It's okay, guys.
Hey, guy. To be honest, this girl just seized my breath. Like, I never knew this girl can be this beautiful, guy.
Bad guy.
Oh my God! And what is that supposed to mean? Huh? You can't be looking at that pauper, that poor church rat like that. How can she see you already want to die?
Fortune, calm down.
Wait, hold on. Are you sure you guys are just besties or is there something more to it?
Leave this
He is
one.
my bestie.
Take it easy now.
Hey, you ain't looking at nobody but me.
Guy.
Ew. Focus on me.
You look good.
Thank you. In fact, all thanks to you. You made it possible.
Well, I'm impressed.
Thank you.
I'll see you around, my baby. You're looking so beautiful.
Hey. My good friend. You're now the talk of the class. I'm so happy for you. Honestly, you took us by surprise. Really?
Yes. So I'm not looking good, right?
You're looking so gorgeous. Let's go back to the class now.
Wait now.
There's no assignment to be done today, so there's no need of you rushing home.
No, I prefer I go home. I don't want Fortune's wahala.
No, I insist, please.
Oh my God.
Okay.
I can never be caught in this web of stinkiness. My skin is too precious for that. Ouch! Excuse me. Hey!
For sure. Wait! Yeah, we'll talk later now. I don't know about this girl. Alpha, sure now.
Don't mind that.
Alright guys, let's go.
Why?
It's obvious, Fortune and Amanda are not with us.
So where are we going to?
We'll drop you on our way home.
Okay.
Come inside later.
I hope your girlfriend wasn't mad because you tried talking to me.
Point of correction. She's not my girlfriend. Yeah, we are not dating. She's just a friend.
Friend? Hard to believe.
You know, you should be looking good always. Abigail, you're such a beautiful dancer. Oh yes. I can't believe I've been with you in the same class and I haven't figured out this beauty in you.
Thanks for the compliments. Is that all?
Okay. What about you being my girlfriend?
See, I don't want troubles. I beg, please.
Listen, Abigail. There will be no troubles. All I ever wanted is just for you to be my girlfriend. That's all.
I think it's early for this. I'll be going back to the class. Excuse me.
Abigail, wait. It's alright, babe. I will be patiently waiting for you. And I believe you're gonna say yes. Man, this girl fine, I'm not gonna lie. See beauty. Bob.
Hey, you stop there! Who the hell do you think you are? You think you can scheme your filthy way and steal my friends away from me?
What are you talking about?
Of course you will not know what I'm talking about! You poor thing!
Watch the way you speak to me.
Ew! Oh my God! Did you just talk back at me? I can see you've got some guts, baby girl. Now let me tell you for your FYI, I've got my eyes on you. Watch your back. Excuse me.
See, I don't know why, but I sense trouble. You see this your new relationship with Mildred? It's not healthy at all. It's not. See, you can do your usual assignment business with them, but don't get too close to them.
Are you saying all this because of what this fool just said?
No.
Listen, all what she said are just empty threats. Mere threats. She can't do anything.
Well, I'm just having ill feelings about it.
Relax. Nothing will happen. I guess you're going back to the class, right? Go. See you later.
Just be careful, okay?
I'm very much careful.
I'm sorry about my friend, please. She's just being too dramatic.
I know her. I'm used to her threats.
Please, don't forget to do our assignment, please. And I have something very important to discuss with you.
Okay.
But that will be tomorrow.
There's no problem. I will remind you.
Do you mind if we drop you off?
Oh my god!
We'll talk later.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Why are you looking at me that way? Oh. Well, actually, I saw you. I'm not blind. I just want to leave you with your new church rat of a friend, okay? Of course, baby girl. You need to go home with your friend. I guess you're surprised? Ew. Watch me leave, darling. Oh my god.
What is wrong with your bestie?
Oh, forget about that one. She's only jealous about Abigail. Yeah, she's been jealous.
Speaking of her, I see you like her a lot.
Okay, let me say I like her so much. And I need you to do me a favor. Can you help me talk to her, at least to know if she can accept me?
This your love need a whole lot of explanation. And why are you just realizing that you love her now?
No, not at all. See, the truth is that ever since I saw her transformation, I've not been myself. Honestly, I've not been myself.
You need to go get her yourself. Please. And remember, you have a whole lot of explanation to give to Fortune. I will not be involved.
Come on now. See, all I want from you is help me convince her. That's all. You can do this for me now.
You're a man. You need to do it yourself.
I'm a man, I know.
Joshua is waiting for me. I'll see you later.
Come now, you can do it. She's your friend now.
Abigail, what's up? I'm fine. Look, we seriously need to discuss.
Okay, what is it?
I think we should join hands together and make this money.
Wait till you talk, no be lie, you're not true. I understand, but I thought Joshua is your boyfriend.
Yes, he's my boyfriend, but that doesn't stop me from having fun outside.
Then what about Iman? Do you think I should give him a chance?
Come on, don't be deceived. Joshua is living a big boy life because his family is rich. Imane has no money. He's just broke, just like Fortune. All you have to do is to be around while you have your fun and make your money outside. I'm telling you all this because I trust you. I can't discuss this with Fortune. So now, are you in or out?
Let's not talk now. I'm in now. See, anything that can give me enough good money, count me in. And as long as it's coming from you, you're supposed to know say they safe with me now.
Yes, that's why I love you so much. I like your energy. Okay, let's go. Okay.
Hi. This house fine, Sha. Try.
What a charming young lady.
Good day, sir.
Good day. How are you?
I'm fine.
You're welcome.
Oh, well, my friend Mildred brought me here.
Yes, I'm really waiting for you. Mildred is a good girl. I hope you're going to be a good girl.
If you treat me well, why not?
No problem. I'll have a lot of surprise for you. Come close to daddy.
I'm sure.
Don't worry, my dear. It's okay. Let's see. What can I offer you?
I'm okay.
No, don't bother. Just tell me anything you want to drink or eat. Anything.
For real, I'm fine. if you can just do what I came here for, I'll be grateful because I'm running out of time.
Really? You're a bad girl. Come with me, let me take you to the other room. Let's go, my dear.
Am I enjoying it?
I'm enjoying it. But my daughter, let me ask you. I know that before this my leg got to this point, we don't have much in the farm. So how come are we feeling well?
Mama, but you've asked these questions plenty times. I'm not telling you later that my friends in school are the ones helping me. Yes, I help them with the assignments and they pay me for it.
Thank God. May the good Lord bless them.
Amen.
These your friends, they are very good. They have been helping us so much.
Mama, look.
Thank God. If not for them, what would we have done?
Joking. I'm just enjoy, yeah?
My daughter.
Mama.
Thank you so much. God bless you. May God continue to protect you. May He continue to guide you.
Amen.
And cover you with the blood of Jesus.
Mama, it's okay now. Mama, you don't want to talk while eating. It's not good. Eat.
No problem.
I didn't want to chicken this side.
Hey!
You like the chicken?
Do I like chicken?
I love it so much. You know with ice cream inside. Mama, you like the chicken?
Very well now. Hey! Chicken. I don't know when I ate chicken last. I don't know, honestly. Thank you so much.
You are welcome.
I thought you called me here to give me the money you are owing me.
Relax now. You brought the rush. Did I say I will not give you the money?
When are you giving me the money?
Are you... Look at me now. Look at me very well. Are you sure you want the money or you want something else?
I don't know you have this kind of sense. You would have said this thing earlier now so that we know how to do it. We know how to hajela it. Now, do you know what will happen? We'll quickly go inside there now. Let me have a test before it becomes a prayer point.
You say if you like the taxi, though. Let's go.
Let's go.
Oh my God. Thank God for this sheet too. So if not for this sheet, I would have not been able to see what my eyes just saw now. Abigail, you have started a corner job in this village. And you'll be at home forming a good girl for me, even Mama. No problem. You will meet me at home. Abigail, you will meet me at home. Abigail, I have seen that you have turned to a village Akuna. I saw you and Ebuka, you were romancing Ebuka. Abigail, what's your problem?
And so, what I do with my life is none of your business.
Listen, whatever you do, like you said, is none of my business. But just know it and have it at the back of your mind that I am not ready to accommodate any bastard in this house. Yes, I am not ready to accommodate.
What kind of a senior brother are you? Tell me, what have you done for this family?
Nothing, oh yes. Nothing. I have done nothing for this family because it is not supporting my career. Can't you get it? It is not. Very soon in this village, Yes, I'm seeing my future already. Very soon, you will be the one walking around this whole village, telling people one after the other that this is my elder brother. You'll be so proud of me. Just watch. Very soon. Abigail, very soon, you'll be the one telling them this superstar here is your elder brother. Just watch.
Superstar my foot. Come and become a superstar, let me see. With this kind of life you're living, you think you'll be a superstar? Nonsense. I beg, excuse, let me continue what I'm supposed.
Very soon. Excuse me.
No bully superstar. Come and be a superstar. Nonsense. Don't go and find what to use your life and do. You're deceiving yourself.
Boys are fresh, boys are fresh, these boys are fresh, these boys are fresh. Driving their Benz, driving their Benz. These guys are fresh, these guys are fresh, these guys are fresh, these guys are fresh, these guys are fresh.
Oh my God. Why did you have to live like that yesterday?
Oh my God! Did you just ask me that? Oh, you were there yesterday when Emmanuella was looking at that pauper, that church yesterday like that. Oh my God!
I don't understand. What's wrong with that? You and Emmanuel are just friends, remember?
Ouch! Oh my God! Did you just say that to me? Oh my God! No! That girl is not in Emmanuel's class and can never be. We are both on the same level. I mean, she cannot be with him, never. Ouch! I can't believe you say that to me. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Oh. Look, I don't know the color of your problem. I don't know why you hate her so much. Look, she's now my friend.
Ew.
Please stop all these your dramas around her.
Friend? How? Oh my God! That girl can never be my friend. She irritates me. I mean, I don't hate her. She's your friend, but not my friend. I don't want her around me. She irritates me. I don't even want her to tempt me with her poverty-stricken skin. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! I can't believe this! Oh my God!
Is it not the same girl I actually took care of? Who is she displaying all this drama for? Fortune.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. Take it easy, please. Sorry.
Oh! She's okay.
I'm sorry.
Take it easy.
Mama, how do you feel now?
My leg is too heavy, but I am moving it small.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. I promise you that, okay?
I pray so. I'm no longer getting myself. I am not getting myself any longer.
Abigail, you will come to the house to take the one she will drink. Make sure you come early, okay?
Okay.
Mama, she'll be taking my leave now.
Okay. Go well. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. If not for this young man, what have become of me?
It's okay, Mama.
What would have become of me?
Mama, do you want to stay here to receive fresh breeze or I should take you inside?
No. I want to stay here.
Alright, let me get you water then. Huh? It's okay, you'll be fine, yeah?
Okay. Okay. God. God help me. Oh.
What are you doing standing in my way?
Ebuka, you thought I don't know you are busy eating up my sister without my permission. Huh? You will end up giving her fake medicine to give to my mom. Ebuka.
I pity you. I pity you. You left your junior sister to shoulder your responsibility. Chidi, are you not ashamed of yourself?
No, tell me, Ebuka, why should I be ashamed of myself? Why? Did I kill anyone in this village? Did I kill anyone? Eh? Ebuka, listen, I am a superstar. And soon, I mean very soon, all of you in this village will feel from just to see my face, just to see Chidi's face. Just watch, very soon.
You know, this your madness have no cure. Yes, it has no cure. So I should take permission from you before chopping your sister. Did you take permission from anybody to be useless? Do you?
Ebuka, you talking to me? Ebuka, no, I don't blame you. Yes, I don't blame you. You and your stupid father are busy gallivanting and extorting people in this village. You think I don't know? Very soon I will expose all of you. I will expose you and your father. Just watch.
You see, you're a very serious prayer point. Yes, you're a very serious prayer point.
I blame myself, in fact, for standing and talking with a stupid idiot like you.
Come and stop me.
Just look at the rhymes I am trying to get. You just spoil my mood, spoil everything. Huh? I have to start all over again. You think music is easy? DJ, take me down the floor now. Bas! Isakaba, hey. Come on, let's get it. Get to your body. Get to your body. I'll get to your body.
I thought the money Chief gave me was for payment.
No, that was just for your transport. He sent the main money to my account. This 50k is for you.
50k?
Yes.
50k after he has given me 20,000 naira.
Welcome to the business, my friend. I'll keep introducing you to people that will give you more money.
This money, oh. Thank you so much. I don't want to thank you enough. God bless you. This is cool cash.
Baby girl, all you just need to do is keep being loyal to me. Believe me, you will make more money like cool cash. For real. Trust me.
Hi. Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Can I put this one for bag? Person will come see me.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go to class.
Yes.
These boys are fresh. Boys are fresh. These boys are fresh. These boys are fresh. Driving a Benz. Driving a Benz. Driving a Benz. Driving a Benz. These guys are fresh. 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 Come on. These girls are fresh.
What's it? What's wrong with you?
Hey. Stop.
I'm sorry, sir. Sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourself. Your claim is a minor argument. I have no problem with that. Or why will you drive in a car into the school premises? Are you a teacher? No, sir. Henceforth, I don't want you to drive the car into the school premises anymore. You can park the car anywhere you want, but that is at your own risk. Have I made myself clear? Yes, sir. Senior students disgracing the school, breaking the rules and regulations, fighting. Can you imagine yourself? Next time, I'm going to deal with all of you ruthlessly. What is that on your neck? Blow it!
Yeah, sorry, sir.
Get out of my office, all of you. Senior students from out. Close your office.
See, guy, you need to warn your bestie. What's even her name? Fortune. Warn her. She's causing trouble for us in this school. She should know that you are with Abigail. Is that too difficult for her to know?
Joshua, please just calm yourself down, okay? Honestly, I'm very sorry. Oh yes, I'm very, 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 very sorry. I just don't understand what has come over that girl. But nevertheless, I will stick to that. I'm sorry. Eh?
You know I'm doing this because of you. I'm just trying to be calm because of you. If you don't talk to her, do you want the school authorities to report to my parents? Know her yourself, or if I do it myself, you know it will end well.
Joshua is okay. Leave that for me. I'll handle it. Yeah.
You need to talk to her.
I will. Joshua. Man, I show you how to put out.
What the hell is wrong with you? Who make you think you can control everyone in this room? You're not better than anyone. You said you're not supposed to be my friend. I'm just tolerating you.
Oh my God! You brushed me? Wait a minute. Because your father is a chief judge, and so, if not Joshua that has been helping your life with your ugly, shrieking witch of a face, who the hell would want to be your friend?
I'm trying to tell you about look at this. Hey, you bastard!
Oh my God! I'm not a bastard, huh? You are the bastard. If you feel you've cut some muscles, baby girl, let's go test ourselves outside and see if I won't beat the hell out of you.
Look at this ingrate. And push me.
It's okay.
What is going on? I see you, Fortune. I will arrest you.
Oh my God, you better get on
I will arrest you.
And you cannot do all of this dirty pop.
It's okay now.
Calm down now.
It's okay.
No, calm down.
Hey!
Stop it!
Dad, bro. She's fine.
And you better hold your dog.
What
you
is your problem?
help me, right?
What's wrong with you? Stop it!
Take your dog, man!
Guy, talk to this girl. What is wrong with you?
This girl, you get pride. Don't even try.
Hey, shut up!
You
Hey, look at me!
Change, you better change.
Shut up!
Get your dirty body out of here.
People wait, change, you get pride.
Get out!
See,
Enough of your troubles. I cannot condone your troubles anymore in this school. I won't warn you again. For sure, tell me, am I owing your kidney? Or am I owing you? Am I holding your life? Why can't you let me be in this school? Are you crazy or what? I will not warn you again. This will be my last warning. If you don't want to respect yourself, I will do that myself. Rubbish.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh no, not you too. Oh my god.
Abby, what's your problem? I can see Mildred have influenced you. I don't understand. What are you talking about? Oh, you are now unserious. Emmanuel is now your boyfriend. You of all people, fighting because of a schoolboy. Like, your classmate for that matter. What is actually your problem? You're now living a big girl's lifestyle in school, forgetting where you're coming from. And so, what is your problem? Like, do I sense jealousy?
Wait, talk to me. Is it the fact that I'm not living a big girl lifestyle in school, or the fact that I'm not dating Emmanuel? Which one is your problem? I don't understand.
Wait. Are you in any way insinuating that I am jealous of you?
I'm not insinuating. I'm confirming it to your front. You are jealous of me. Yes. You are jealous of me. You're a bad friend though. Right now, I'm seeing the bad friend in you. You're a bad friend.
Oh, really? So because I'm trying to advise you, I'm now a bad friend.
You're not only a bad friend though. You are bad than the baddest. Yes, all this while I thought I have a good friend though. Wait, you saw me fighting that fool. Instead of you to join me, let's beat her. You are here advising me. Go. Let me tell you something. Stay away from me. Because you're a bad friend. And your type the key person.
Me?
Stay away from me.
Bad friend. Wow. Can you imagine this girl I am trying to caution? She's going astray and she's happy about it. Well, I don't blame her. This is what poverty can cause. But I don't know how Mildred succeeded in using small change, petty cash she's giving her to change her like this. I pity her.
These boys are fresh, these boys are fresh, these boys are fresh, these boys are fresh. Driving a Benz, driving a Benz. These guys are fresh.
Mama!
These guys are fresh.
Mama! Mama! My daughter, what is it?
Mama, what is going on in this house? Tell me.
What happened?
What's going on in this house?
What happened?
What's my purse? My purse is empty. Someone took my money from my purse. Now tell me, who is that Nini that stole my money? Who is that Nini? Is the person mad?
Who are you calling a Nini?
Guilty conscience. So you're the one that stole my money. You're the one that stole my money, Abi? Where is my money? Where is my money before I beat you now?
Are you seeing your daughter?
Please. Abigail, please, it's okay. Chidinma, answer me now. Did you take your sister's money?
Mama, thank you very much for that good question you just asked now. Mama, can you see the way she's molesting a superstar? Mama, thank you for that very good question. See, I did not steal her money. I did not even say it.
I see. Liar! Mama, this your useless son stole my money, oh. Low budget telegy. Nonsense.
Please, Abigail, please leave him. Maybe he's not the one that take your money.
He took the money. He took it. I'm so sure. I left the money inside my bag. Now my bag is empty. Tell me, are we not the only one that live in this house? Or are you the one that will steal my money? Am I not what I'm saying? He took my money.
Listen, she just called a superstar a low budget regime. Mama, listen. Like she's saying the vision. Mama, I have a collab with Terry G. Very soon the heat is dropping. Mama, you need to hear this song. Mama, I'm that son, that's your only son that all the superstars are dying for. Davido, Olamide, and the rest of them want to sign me on that record label. Mama, I said no. Mama, I want to blow on my own way. Mama, your son is talented. Mama, are you hearing me? By the time I will make it, you see this my sister, this humiliation she's giving me, she will not try. She will be announcing to everybody that this is my brother. She will be proud of me.
I beg, shut up, Joe. Shut up. Thief.
Try.
My daughter, please. Just because of me. Please.
Mama, it's because of you.
Forgive him.
It's because of you.
Forgive me.
It's because of you, Mama. It's because of you. I'm letting this thief go free. Because of you.
Thank you. Thank you. Huh? Thank you.
Superstar.
You're
holding a superstar. You need to hear my track. Mama, listen.
I am shaming your shame.
You are very lucky.
I am shaming your shame.
You are very lucky that Mama saved you. If not, I swear, Maba would have beaten you blue black.
You will not do anything.
Try this next time.
Forget size, oh. Forget my size. You cannot do anything. Thief.
Me thief. Mama, listen. Mama, when you hear this collabo, you go kuchulu. Mama, you go shock. Mama, you'll be proud of this, your only son. This son that you are calling useless son. Mama, just wait. In no distant time, this song will hit the market. Streaming will full. Mama, let me go and release one track.
Chai, sorry. Hey, Mama, where did you get this thing from?
How will you shut up?
Are you serious?
Like, for real. Which is it? Who is
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 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 Oh, hot bread! Hot bread! Hot bread!
I gotta give you that though.
Let's open the cake together. Let's share
My cake. Who owns this cake?
My birthday.
Is that the reason you want to bring that to school? Aren't you aware that celebrations are not allowed in the school premises? Now, follow me with this cake. You will take it back after school hours. Now! I'll give it back to you after school hours. Where are you? For Betty birthday.
Hey! All my happiness here, chop cake. God, see this one. This one is a witch.
Hey.
I swear, this one is a witch.
Yes, finally, I support you. She's a witch.
I support you. Joshua, come.
Just like your website. Happy birthday to you.
I was really jealous of Mildred over the surprise birthday cake until Miss Pamela came and spoiled everything. I've told you times without number to stop being friends with her. Stop getting close to that girl, Abigail. I don't like it. I want us to be like Romeo and Juliet.
Hey, stop. Now listen carefully. You're just stressing yourself. Oh yes. For crying out loud, you are just my bestie. And I want you to see me that way.
I can't see you that way. I don't like seeing you with that dirty useless.
Mind your words.
I feel jealous and uncomfortable when I see her with you.
For sure, I want you to kill whatever feelings you're having for me. Do you understand that? Kill whatever feelings, just quench it off. We can never date and I will never see you as my lover. On a second thought, I found the love of my life. And I want you to get used to that.
I refuse to get used to that. You are mine and mine alone. Why should you come and cause problem between us?
Hi.
Hi, babe. Let's go.
Oh, this girl! I will deal with you. You know if you just come collect my man. Who are you? You were just brushed up yesterday. No one this mweke.
Why were you standing with her?
You need to calm down. She was just telling me about our friendship. I told her I found my love. Oh yes. Honestly, I want her to stop comparing herself to you. I don't like the idea of her fighting around causing nuisance everywhere when we are not dating.
Well, I told you your girlfriend breeds trouble.
I've told you countless times. She's not my girlfriend. We are not dating.
But she's a woman like me, so I know she'll feel pain. But I know with time she'll get used to it.
Can we talk about yourself?
How?
Now tell me, when are you coming over to my place to see me? I am always alone, although I stay with my big bro. But he normally travels. So we have enough time for ourselves.
Listen, we're outside. Maybe let her walk around. I don't want eyes to be on us. And I also don't want Mr. Maxwell's trouble. So, let's go to the class.
Yeah, but can we...
Let's go to the class.
Can you come tomorrow? I'm alone tomorrow.
Oh, give me your hand. Give me your hand! Stretch it very well. Stretch it well. Another one. You hate cane, but you like misbehaving. My friend, stretch out your hand. Am I talking to you now? Come on, stretch your hand. One more. One more time. Oh yeah.
Good day.
Good day, Abigail. I want to see you.
Okay, Mom.
Abigail, I know a teacher wants to talk to you about neatness and dressing well to school. But Abigail, you're going beyond the normal. Just look at how short your skirt is. No, you don't have to cover it. Abigail, as one of my best students, I noticed some changes in you lately. Abigail, I just hope this your new level of big girl won't affect your studies.
I'm sorry, Mom.
No, you don't have to be my darling. You know the reason you're here, right? Good. Don't get distracted. That's all I have to say. You can go.
Thank you.
Go.
You're free.
I just hope she has not joined one of all these stupid, unserious students that all they know is to follow men about. It's a pity.
Have you been? We'll be waiting for you. Or don't you want us to drop you off?
It's not my photo. Man, this yeye woman, Miss Pamela of a woman. If I dress dirty, she go complain. Now I don't dress sexy, they dress neat. She still they complain. What does she want me to do now?
Please, don't mind her. You know you are the hottest student now. Everyone is admiring you, even the junior ones. So please, don't mind that woman. Besides, Joshua has been waiting. Emmanuel is with him.
Afa, what's your fortune now? Are we going to slide her one side?
What's wrong with you? Why do you care so much about someone who doesn't care about you? Someone who doesn't like you? Please don't stop talking about that girl. Let's go.
These boys are fresh, boys are fresh. These boys are fresh, these boys are fresh. Driving a Benz, driving a Benz. These guys are fresh, these guys are fresh. These guys are fresh, these guys are fresh. These guys are fresh, 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 fresh. Come on. These girls are fresh, these girls are fresh, these girls are fresh. Driving their Benz, these girls are fresh, these girls are fresh, these girls are fresh, these girls are fresh, 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 fresh. Come on. When you see them pass, not envy. When you see their cars, not envy. Everybody wanna be like them, but they can't. They can't. Oh. Coming to school, shutting down the streets. I got my mind on money, on my Ferrari. We got a gang, we have our clique. If you don't have money, save a poor job. These boys are fresh, these boys are fresh. These boys are fresh, these boys are fresh. Driving a Benz, driving a Benz, driving a Benz.
Chai, why are you disturbing the neighborhood? It is still early in the morning. Your mate has gone to hustle and you're here playing music. Why are you doing this to yourself? Chidinma.
See, Mama, mind the way you talk to a superstar. Your son is a superstar. Mama, see, don't worry yourself. Very soon my hit track will drop. And when it drops, you know that you have a talented son. You understand? But before then, Mama, let me do a little freestyle for you so that you know that I'm not that boy you think I am. Let me do a freestyle for you. You will love it.
Chidinma, I don't want disturbance. I don't want this.
This one. Your son is talented, Mama. When my his song drops,
Hey!
Mama, you know you have a son.
Chineke.
Mama,
Chidinma. Fiakwa.
Mama, listen. This one is just somebody else's song. Mama, you've not heard my own.
Because
don't worry.
You don't have song.
Mama, wait. When my hit track drops, you will know your son is talented. Mama. My song, they are dragging it all over the internet. Your son is made. Just calm down, relax.
Hey! Chidinma, go and learn handwork. It's an advice. Take it. Go and learn handwork so that if you marry, you will see what you will use and feed your family. Chidinma, it's useless. With what I'm seeing now, yeah, it's completely useless. Nke abu nwoke wana kwa. Ifugani anu, omuru nwoke. Agamu nwoke, moro mwa nwoke. Nwoke eje eme gini. Look at your little sister. You see now with how many years she's feeding you. You know, pererem. You're a superstar. Nke no.
Mama, let me tell you. That my little sister, her future is assignment. Mama, my own is superstar. Yeah. Calculate it, assignment and superstar. I'm going to feed you with talent, Mama. Superstar. Just wait.
Abigail, ma? Where do you think you're going to?
The thing is, right, my mother is very sick. Oh. She's very, very sick. And I need to reach home on time so I can take care of her.
In that case, why didn't you come to the principal office and take proper permission?
If I tell the principal, he might not understand where I'm coming from. And he might not let me go because it will soon be closing time.
How am I sure you're telling me the truth?
Mommy, Christian, we don't lie. I can never lie to you.
Abigail, I don't trust you. You've changed a lot, so I don't believe you're telling me the truth.
Believe me, please.
In that case, go and take care of your sick mother. Next time, don't sneak out.
Thank you, Ma.
How am I sure she's saying the truth?
So you succeeded in coming out?
Yes, I did.
Okay, good. This is the address. Please, don't forget to treat him nicely so he can give us more money.
Are you not coming with me? See, I don't understand this paro anymore. I'm always the one going. And if I come back, you just give me my own cut. I don't even know how much they do pay us safe.
Are you arguing with me? Besides, I don't go with you because I have other paroles I do. I'm on break. And you know you are the one they want. It's okay, I'm fine. If you're tired of this business, you just tell me.
It doesn't go to that point
I can easily get someone else.
Someone else? No, now. Sorry. Are you upset? I'm sorry. I'll go.
I bring the clients. You do the needful.
It's fine. I will go. Don't be upset. Don't be upset. Smile now. Now give me that dress. This place foul.
Be careful. And don't worry. If Emmanuel asks me about you, I'll tell him you went to take care of your sick mother. Please, be careful.
Okay. Yes, foul. Everything I want to do. Chief.
Wow. Sweet baby. So nice of you.
Stop.
Keep being a good girl. Keep getting more money from me.
Chief. Don't worry, I'll keep treating you well.
It's alright. It's for you.
Hey! Chief. This money for me.
Yes.
Aww.
Where I brought this, there's so many of them there. And if you don't allow these small schoolboys come close to my property, you keep getting more of it.
Chief, I'm not like that now. Why would I be feeling all these small boys when I have you?
Oh, that's my baby.
Chief is late too. I need to start going, eh?
Okay.
Let me start going.
It's okay.
Eh? See you some other time.
Yeah, good girl.
You like better tea,
Not too much. My baby. Wow. That is sweet.
Mama, good evening.
My daughter, you came back from school very late. What happened?
Mama, it's not my fault though. We were doing practical in school. And while heading home, I decided to check our farm if I can see anything to harvest.
That is very thoughtful of you.
But Mama, I did not see anything. Our tomatoes are not matured yet. So we just manage the one in the house for now. Maybe next week I'll go and check again.
No problem. You've tried. You've really tried.
I know you must be hungry, eh? Let me go and make something for us to eat.
Before you do that, my daughter, you have to help me up.
Hey. Okay.
I've been sitting here for a very long time waiting for you.
Where is this useless boy? Eh? Sorry. Wait. If I didn't see you, you would have come inside. Huh?
Of course, I'll come inside and ask of you.
Ask of who? Please, don't repeat this thing next time. I don't want my mother to start suspecting anything, please. How can you leave your estate to come down here to look for me?
See, the truth is that you left the school when the school was on. I asked everybody. I even asked a maid about you. She told me you have gone home, that your mother is sick and needed your attention.
Yes, that's true.
I'm sorry about that. So how is she doing now?
She's fine.
Okay, that's fine. So can we go home, like go to my house, or should we be tomorrow after school?
Let's leave it tomorrow after school.
Okay, it's okay. I'm only eager to have this fun with you, that's all. But nevertheless, I got a special gift for you.
You know, even without you saying you have special gifts for me, I will still come.
Oh, I'm serious. I have a special gift for you tomorrow.
Alright, till tomorrow then.
Okay, can I get a peg?
Peg waiting.
A peg?
Please, start going. I don't want anybody to see us. Yeah. Start going.
It's just a peg.
Go now.
Okay, hug.
Go. Go.
Tomorrow.
Hey, tomorrow. I hope this my useless brother did not see us. Because that one day should stay one place.
Well, some of you did well in my test. Why some of you failed woefully? By the way, where is Abigail? Ma? Abigail, you scored the lowest in my test. Abigail, you of all people scored 1/10. This is never encouraging. Abigail, tell me, what is wrong with you? What is the matter with you, Abigail? You no longer read your books? I knew it would come to this. When you start dressing like the happy babes to school, I knew it. But I warned you. You never listened. You that was topping the class then, I can't believe my eyes. But remember, my eyes are on you.
I'm sorry, Mom.
Sorry for yourself. If you like, sit up. If you like, sit down. It's none of my business. I have done my best by teaching you. If you like, cope. The future will tell. Class, bring your notebook. You're starting a new topic today. Oh, yes. Who's in my marker?
Madam, talk now. Why are we here?
Ew. Oh my god. I'm sorry. I should have realized that Emmanuel and I...
Hey, please. If we must continue this discussion, you have to stop this drama now.
Okay, oh my god. Okay. I should have realized that Emmanuel and I are best friends and he can move around with anybody he wants. Okay?
This is what you failed to realize all this while.
Ouch.
I have no issues with you.
Ew. Are you sure?
Coordinate yourself.
Okay. I'm calm. But you don't move with me anymore. You don't even talk to me, baby girl.
I said you should coordinate yourself.
Okay.
Speak like a normal human being.
Of course. But I miss Earth. I'm really sorry, okay? I'm sorry about everything.
You just need to learn how not to be jealous. You're just being unnecessarily jealous. You almost spoiled everything.
I'm sorry, baby girl. I miss Earth. I miss my friend. Our group of friends. It's the best ever.
If there's something I miss about you, it's your smartness.
You
always know how to get what you want.
Of course. I'm a baby girl. Oh my god.
Remember I said you should calm down. Please. If you want to do all this your stuff, we can do it elsewhere. Do it with some other people, not me.
Noted. Baby girl, can you bring in the hug? Thank you for forgiving me. Bring it, baby girl. Bring it in. You.
Calming down, please.
What's happened? You called me outside. Is everything okay?
I was so disappointed when Miss Pamela called you out in class today. I just hope you will not regret your decisions. You don't do well in class anymore. You don't copy notes. You don't do well in text. But remember, exams are fast approaching.
Let me see. Let me tell you something. It's not like I like the way I used to. I'm not concentrating in class. But see, I do 1 or 2 for area I want to try settle off first. You understand?
Yes.
Me and you know, I like book. I like book very, very well. But man, got reason now. You understand? Me, don't worry. Just give me time. Make I just settle this 1 or 2 within my table. If I clear them off now, I will just create time for this school. I will target school very, very well.
I should give you time.
Time.
Interesting. Well, I wish you all the best. But I just hope you don't forget where you're coming from. You have really done so well in your academies. And I hope you don't win it. I'm begging you.
What is bad belly way food for this school? I don't understand. What is bad belly way food for this school now? Yeah. Oh, bad luck.
Everyone is sent to school to go and learn to read, to go and learn to write, and come out with flying colors. But some fall in front of peer pressure, and then they are misled, taking wrong decisions.
What's up?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
I did.
How come I scored higher than you in the test?
And so, you score higher than me. What could happen? Well, see, that matter where I go run for chief house and coming back late really affected me. I didn't have time to read. I was so tired that I slept off, forgetting the next day was Auntie Pamela's test.
But I thought you are academically strong, that you don't need to read before you pass test.
They play. It must be a joke.
Anyways, I have a client for you.
Yes,
he's my family friend. My friend's elder brother. He needs to be taken care of.
That one a smoke kiss now. Now waiting they talk come. Don't worry now. After school I go run the matter so I go fit to go out on time.
No, you know it's already weekend, so you have to go tomorrow morning.
That one still day Kwan. No problem. Tomorrow then.
Meanwhile, I'll send you all the details you need. Besides, Joshua's car is parked down there. Let's go and meet him. You know the school authorities is complaining.
Mama. Oh, you're awake. Good morning. Good morning.
Mama, where are you going to? Today is weekend. Today is not school.
Hey, Mama, I thought I told you last night. Well, our school, we are having practicals today. Our exams is fast approaching. So they said we should come to school today, being Saturday, to do our practicals. And we should not come with uniform. We should come with our house clothes. So I'm set to go, I'll see you later.
Please come back quick. As soon as you finish.
I will, Mama.
Why are you going to dress like this?
I'm going for practicals in my school. Mama, let me start going, Okay. Brother, please. Take care of Mama.
I know you're going to see a man. I need some money. Else I will expose you.
What stupid money are you talking about? See, I don't have any money with me. And for your information, I'm not going to see any man. I'm going for practical. No, I'm not going to see any man.
You're not going to see any man?
Yes.
You're going for practicals. And you don't have any money?
Yes. What is it? I don't even know why I'm standing here talking to you. Ah! See, you stop this. Give me my bag. Give me.
Nah. Coordinate yourself. I said coordinate yourself. What's the problem? Sure, you said you don't have money.
That money is not too much for you.
Am I not your senior? Will you shut up your mouth and allow me to do what I'm doing? Allow me to concentrate. I'm even shy talking to you outside here. I'm a superstar. Calm down. Very soon I'll make it big.
Give me my bag. Give me.
Listen, Abigail, you're very lucky that you're heading somewhere. Else I would have taken every dime you have on this boss.
Listen, you're doing this to me because you senior me, right? And then because you think you have strength over me. But if you try this next time, is it that you kill me or I kill you?
Listen, you're shouting. I'm even ashamed standing here with you. You know I'm a superstar.
Waka.
I should run along before they see me, though you are my little sister. Eh? Superstar.
Ewu. Mildred, what's up? I've been here since. I haven't seen him. Alright now, please. She should be fast though. You know, I need to go back home today.
We have our click. If you don't have money, save a poor job. This boy's driving a Benz. These guys are fresh. These guys are fresh. These guys are fresh. Come on. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. Driving the Benz. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh.
Please come and help me. Please come. Let's take her to the hospital. Open the door. Please. Help me. Let me go back to this side. Just hold on.
You can have this. Thank you. Your story is quite touching. Thank you, ma. You are misled by friends. But that's not enough reason to sleep around for money. I'm happy you're honest, beautiful and intelligent. You wouldn't have been on scholarship if you're not intelligent. I'll help you. I promise I'll help you bring you out from the streets and give you a better life. Are you serious about this? Yeah, I'm serious. Hey, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mom. You're welcome. It's late already. You can leave today. I've told my cook to prepare something for you to eat this night. You go upstairs, take your hot bath and sleep. By tomorrow, I'll fly you to your house and explain things to your parents. Okay? Thank you so much, Mom. You're welcome. Just relax. Feel at home.
Chid, I'm talking to you. Wouldn't you go and look for your sister?
Mama, I've told you to stop being worried about this girl. Eh? Your daughter has gone to see a man and she's fine. Stop being worried. Mama, listen, it's not up to 24 hours, so I cannot go and report to the police.
Chid, which of my daughter? My daughter, I know, cannot go to see any man. I know my daughter very well. Chidi, go and look for your sister. Go to her school.
Mama, there's a particular lyrics I want to get. You just stop disturbing me about this, your daughter of 18. Abigail is wild. She can handle herself.
Chidi, I wish I can walk properly. I would have gone there without talking to you.
Mama.
Huh? Abigail.
Mama. Mama.
My daughter.
Mama.
You left me worried. What happened? Where did you go?
Mama, it's a long story.
She has gone to see a man.
My dear, you're welcome, my daughter.
Thank you. Is she your mother?
Yes, ma.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon, madam.
You're welcome.
Good afternoon.
I hope all is well. I'm scared.
You don't have to be scared. All is well. I came in peace.
I knew about this all this while, but I felt it's her choice. Now I know I should have cautioned her.
My dear, I don't know anything about this. I used to ask her where she's getting the money that she's spending on us. Apart from selling of the vegetable we have in our farm, she told me that her fellow students do give her their assignment to do for them. And after that, they used to give her money. Considering the fact that her school is dominated by rich man children. So I couldn't go further to ask more questions.
Well, like I narrated, on her way coming back from her outing, she met some bad boys. They beat her up and do away with the money she made. They almost killed her.
Ah, God forbid. God forbid, not my daughter. My daughter will not die. She has suffered so much.
Well, all these things happen because of the bad advice she got from her friends. She's a young girl trying to catch up. I don't blame her. Don't worry. Henceforth, I've adopted her as my daughter.
Huh?
I will take full responsibility of her education.
Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. May God bless you. I am grateful. I really appreciate. Thank you.
It's okay. So Chidi, what do you have to say as the man of the house?
Nothing. I'm just being remorseful. I should have done something.
It's okay. I think I met her for a reason. And I am making a promise to this family that I will register her under my foundation and this family will not lack anything.
Thank you so much, Ma.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's okay. Let's share up.
Hey.
Don't put the blames on me.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
My daughter, I understand. It is not your fault. If I have any means to give you a good life, you wouldn't have indulged yourself in immorality. But look at me. There's nothing I can do to help. This my leg has been paining me for years now. There's nothing I can do. Your brother is nothing to write home about. He cannot do anything to help the family. He allows you to do eventually everything. We are eating in this house is you. We drink water in this house is you. Whatever we are doing in this house is you. So I am not blaming you.
Oh, it's okay. I promise you today I will not indulge myself in such act again. Mama, even though I shouldn't have done what I did. No matter what. I'm sorry. I was misled. I will not do it again.
It's okay. It's okay. My daughter is okay. You have suffered. You have suffered so much.
Madam, you're welcome. It's been a while.
Thank you. Yes, I traveled out of the country, but I'm back.
That's good. Some of the students you gave scholarship in this school, they are doing very well. And they are asking after you.
That's fine. See, I'm around today. I decided to pay the school a visit. At least let me see my children and know how they are doing academically and how the school is improving too. And that reminds me, I recently adopted a girl in your school. And she's on scholarship already, senior secondary level.
Really? Who is she?
Her name is Abigail, and she's about to write her SSC.
She's one of the most brilliant students we have in this school, and she's doing very well.
That's good to hear. I think I would like to take a tour around the school to see my students and how they are doing academically, if you don't mind.
That's very good. I'm going to be your tour guide.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Change your ways before it's too late.
It's nice having you, madam.
Mr. Principal, honestly, I must confess that you are doing a good job.
Thank you so much.
Keep it up.
Yeah. Remember that the school will always welcome your support and contribution anytime.
I'm always at your service. So you will hear from me.
Oh, good.
Okay. Enjoy the rest of your day.
And you too. Thank you so much.
Alright.
Okay.
I'm proud of you.
Thank you so much,
You're really doing well in your academics.
Thank you.
Honestly speaking, your principal was just talking so much good about you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. I'm happy. Keep it up.
Thank you, Mom.
Okay. Go back to class. I'll see you later.
Alright.
Alright. Good afternoon.
I don't understand what is going on. You were absent in school for 2 weeks. Nobody could reach out to you. Now you came back a changed person.
I came back a changed person. You are right. Well, you are a good observer. But as long as we remain in the school, we are going to be just friends. As you know, our final exams is fast approaching. So I need all the concentration I can get to focus well on my studies. Please. I've put an end to whatsoever thing we had. I want to focus more on my studies. Let's just be friends.
Come on, Abigail. Me and you had something in common.
We had. Not anymore. Listen. All I want right now is to concentrate on my books and get good grades. Nothing more. If you can't cope with us being friends, then it's best you stay or avoid me.
Abigail. I do not understand what is going on. Why is she sounding so different? Like the old naive her. I need to ask Mildred if she knows anything about this. Oh yes.
Listen. That was Mrs. Louise with you. What were you doing with her?
Oh, she's my new mom. She adopted me to be her child now.
Are you serious?
You see, you're surprised. Unlike you, instead of you to help me, you took advantage of my situation, leading me astray and making money off me. Well, I'm happy I'm living well now. All thanks to you and everyone that played part of my life. Well, I've forgiven each and every one of you.
Please, I'm sorry. I didn't know what came over me. I thought it was just a way of life. Please forgive me.
Like I said, I have forgiven you. I am stronger and better now. Take care.
Please, I'm sorry. What have I done?
My goodness. How can you do that to that innocent girl? You know what? I don't trust you. Have you been sleeping around as well?
No. I'm sorry. I thought it was an opportunity for me. I thought I was giving her the best option. Please. I will not try it again. Please, I'm sorry.
Mildred, you're wicked. You should be hiding your face in shame. How could you? I thought she was our new friend who was going out with Emmanuella. I never knew you were also using her for business. Why would you do that?
No, you don't understand. I had the opportunity to meet men with class. And that is all they want. Since Abigail wasn't complaining, I just had to keep sending her. Then, once they send the money to my account, I'll share it with her. I'm sorry, I'm a changed person now. I will not try it again. I never knew what I was doing, please.
Really?
Yes, please.
You know what? Just get down from my car.
I'm sorry, please.
Get down from my car!
Please, I'm sorry. I'm a changed person now. I will never try it again, please.
You're a changed person?
Yeah, please.
I will only believe you on one condition. You will have to go and meet her and apologize to her. And make sure she forgives you. Yes, I'm done with this.
Baby, please now, please. You cannot be...
Are you going to apologize to her, yes or no?
Yes, I will apologize, but please, forgive me now, please.
Your apologies are not enough. Get out from my car.
Please.
I said get out of my car!
Please, are you sending me out like that? Please now, I'm sorry, please, please. Please forgive me. Abigail, the rest watching might not know the story, but you and I do. I'm so sorry. I didn't know what I was doing. I thought I was giving you the best option. Please forgive me, please.
Mildred, it's fine. I've forgiven you, sincerely. If not for you, I wouldn't have met my helper. Like they say, there's a reason for everything. So, it's fine.
Sorry, please.
Hi, I saw everything. You tried. That was good. Come here.
Thank
My troublesome bestie.
Did you miss me?
Yes, I do.
I got this for you.
I thought we were no longer friends. What's in there?
Flower, perfume, and card from me to you. I'm so sorry. I just noticed you're my best friend. A friend I know would lead me astray. I'm so sorry for everything I did to you. Please forgive me. It's just that I got wrong solutions from the wrong people and also from the wrong hands.
Well, I noticed few changes in you lately. I learned you are now close to Mrs. Lewis, the former senator representing our senatorial district, a big philanthropist.
Yes, she's my adopted mother.
Wow, that's good to hear. You will never lack anything.
I know. Please, I've missed you. Forgive me. Let's come back being friends.
I've forgiven you and I missed you so much, my dear bestie.
So that means we are friends again.
Yes. Yeah.
I've missed you.
I've missed you too.
Let's go back to the class. You have a lot to gist me.
Yes, I have so much to gist.
Thank you so much. Thank you, my dear. In fact, I don't know how to thank you. For this little period that you have been in our life, we have truly experienced a positive change. May the good Lord continue to bless you.
Amen.
Amen. God bless you. Thank you so much, my dear.
Thank you so much. And I also want you to understand that in every problem we should give thanks to God because He has reasons for it. Yes. And I'm happy you have a beautiful and intelligent daughter. I promise I will train her to any level she wants to go in as long as she wants to go to school.
Huh?
Even if I drop dead today,
God forbid,
she will continue her education. She's part of my will.
Ah, thank you. Nothing bad will happen to you. You are going to live. You will live to see your grandchildren, your children, even if not for anything. For my family. Thank you so much. Hey, thank you so much. God bless you.
Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
After what happened to my sister, I've actually been thinking. I have decided to give my life a change. Yes, Mama.
That's fine.
The two sis.
And as for you, Chidi, I'm making an arrangement with a music producer so you can become the superstar you want. Yes! But one condition. You must go to school with good grades.
Okay, no problem. Fine.
As for you, Mama, you're not left behind. I'm making an arrangement to see how I can flee out of the country so you can go for surgery. Huh? At least to correct your leg. So you can walk properly.
I thought there was no medical solution to it.
And who said so?
Out of the country. Me.
I will see data for there. I will see data for there.
Thank you so much. Thank you. You're welcome into my home. Thank you. Hey! I can't believe that the door of my miracle has finally opened. Honestly. Hey!
Yes. Yes, they are. Madam Louise is so generous. I've never seen a kind and a blessed soul as her.
Mama, that woman is a God blessing to this family.
Yes, so... And I believe, I am not doubting that she's going to keep to all her promises to us.
Mama, of course. This is our new beginning.
Thank God. I am very, very happy myself. I thank God. I thank you, my children, my wonderful children. I am very, very proud of you too.
Mama, thank you.
I bless God for having you.
Thank you, Mama.
Mama, I promise I'll change for good.
Huh?
And I promise to make you both proud of me.
Are you sure it's Chidi that's talking?
Of all people.
Coming from Chidi. You're not happy, Our musician. Our superstar.
Davido.
Our upcoming Davido.
I will not fight again. I will not steal your money. Sorry, I won't take it again. It's not stealing.
You stole it.
You stole it.
No, you're
You are still having pride. You stole it.
If I take it, I did not steal it.
You stole it. You stole it. No, don't
I will not.
You change you.
Cross my heart.
And that music career is not your calling. You look for something else to do. Mom.
How are you?
I'm fine, Mom.
What happened? The cook has not finished cooking. I'm so hungry.
Oh, the cook said the food is almost ready in less than 5 minutes or so.
I'm hungry.
Mom, I want to thank you for all you've been doing in my life. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for helping my family. Words are not enough to explain how grateful I am to you. You are indeed my destiny helper.
You don't have to thank me. I'm glad I helped you. if I don't do it, someone else will do it for you. I promise. Abigail, I promise to be that mother that will always be there for you. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you so much.
Come here. You.
These boys are fresh. These boys are fresh. These boys are fresh. These boys are fresh. Driving a Benz. Driving a Benz. Driving a Benz. Driving a Benz. These guys are fresh. 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 Come on. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. Driving their Benz. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. These girls are fresh. 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 Come on. When you see them pass, not envy. When you see their cars, not envy. Everybody wanna be like them, but they can't. They can't. Oh. Coming to school, shutting down the streets. I got my mind on money, on my Ferrari. We got it.